uncertainty. In December 2019, the Financial Conduct Authority and the Prudential Regulatory Authority published a joint consultation paper regarding operational resilience. Operational resilience is defined as a firm's ability to prevent, adapt, respond to, recover, and learn from operational disruption. Boards of regulated organisations are under increasing pressure to respond to difficult questions about how they provide oversight of their business and achieve long-term sustainability. Firms' culture and governance are pivotal to building public trust and confidence in the UK's financial services industry. This 2-hour online training will support delegates to develop an awareness of the current financial services industry trends and practices with respect to operational resilience. Identify the challenges facing firms in the current economic environment. Present practical elements on technical knowledge of culture and conduct which support integrity, treating customers fairly, and the safeguarding of client money and assets. And finally, assess early signs of regulatory and operational risk. Our online programs combine a range of methodologies to optimize the training experience for delegates and bring complex theories to life. Training sessions are designed to use real scenarios in order to flesh out practical solutions and provide delegates with the knowledge and tools to perform in their role. Please get in touch for further information about this course.